slap it down, folks.
Draw an eyeball. What is it? Turtle monkey. See how that just happened?
Attack a whack from the MC, dismount.
And that's how you do a comic. Pola OC.
It's a little chilly in here. Oh yeah. Slap it down. I'm just adding some line work and funkifying this piece. And yeah, it's gonna be great. I think it should be turning out. Some people say maybe it looks like Donald Trump, but I wasn't going for that. I was just going for something fresh and crazy. Get fresh on the microphone with mesh, and that's how we do it alright. And that's how we do it alright. Goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you again till later. See you again. Stick around for another episode of Live with RAEART.